Let's learn Bombshel Stomp. It's choreographed by Jamie Marshall and Karen Hedges. It is a 48 count, 2-wall, low intermediate level line dance with a couple of extra features in it to fit the music. On walls 2 and 7, you will repeat the last 16 counts of the dance. And on wall 5, at the end of the 48 counts, you will scramble around for 12 counts and hold for 4 to start the dance all over again, facing the back wall. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and dancing the entire dance so that you know where everything happens, so you can hopefully dance this fun dance on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Bombshell Stomp. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right heel pump. We're going to take our right heel, tap it forward, slightly lift your heel up, and then tap your right heel down. We're going to do a weave quarter turn, crossing our right foot behind our left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, then step forward with your right. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a rocking coaster step, rocking forward with your left. Recover back on your right. You're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Doing that heel pump. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 4 wizard steps. So we're stepping our right foot slightly forward into the diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward into the diagonal. Same thing with the left. Step your left foot slightly forward into the diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to do that same thing again with the right. The right foot slightly forward into the diagonal, left foot in behind, right foot forward. Step your left foot forward into the diagonal, right foot in and behind, and then left foot forward. Let's try that with some counts. Doing your wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. You want those wizards to slightly travel forward. Section 3, we're going to do hitchback steps. So we're going to bring that right knee up, step it back, bring your left knee up, and step it back. We're going to do a right coaster step. Coaster step, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side and squatting down, and then coming together. Weight's going to be on that left foot. You're now going to do a chest pump, and you can either do one hand or you could do both hands like you're really beeping a horn. You're going to do your hand with your chest. So you're going to go beep, beep. Let's try it with some counts. Back hitch. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, those wizards that we did for section 2, you're going to repeat them here. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward into the diagonal. Now your left foot forward into the diagonal, right foot in and behind, step your left foot forward, step your right foot forward into the diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward into the diagonal. And then one more time with the left, left into the diagonal, right and behind, left foot forward into the diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Your 4 wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 5, we're going to stomp our right foot slightly back and to the side. You're now in hold, and now you're going to step your left foot slightly back into the side and hold. You're going to roll your hips around, making sure your weight is on your left foot, and then we're going to shuffle forward, step right forward, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts. We're stomping our right foot to the side. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6, we're going to step forward with our left foot, and you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, keeping your weight onto your left foot and popping that right knee up. You're now going to bump your right hip forward, back, forward. You're going to step down with your right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left. Make another half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right, and then step forward with your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our shuffle forward. You're going to do your step half with your knee pop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. If you're somebody that doesn't like to turn, you can replace that with 4 walks forward. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through one time with steps. one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heel pump. Heel, heel, behind, quarter forward, rock, recover, coaster step, right wizard, left wizard, right wizard, left wizard, back hitch, coaster step, quarter turn with a squat together, chest pump with your horn, wizard, 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 and wizard. Now stomp to the right, stomp to the left, shake your hips, weights left, shuffle forward, right, left, right, step, half, pop, bump your hips, step, half back, half forward, step, and you'll be facing 6 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Starting with your heel pump with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So that last 16, where you do that stomp, hold, she is going to be saying stomp to the right, stomp to the left, shake your booty and step, 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 turn and pop. And that's when you're doing that part. When we repeat it on wall 2 and on wall 7, it's going to sound similar. So now let's talk about these extras. On wall 2, you will dance the full 48 counts. She will do the stomp and you'll do your full turn here. And then you're going to repeat that. Stomp, stomp, shake it and shuffle. Step, half pop, bump your hip, step, half, half, step. And wall 3 will become your back wall. You will dance wall 3 and wall 4 completely through without anything. Then when we dance wall 5, when we get to that stomp part, they're going to say, the barn, the barn, the barn is on fire. That's your cue that at the end of that wall, you're going to do your scramble. So you will dance the full 32 counts. It will bring you to the front. You will do your half with your step, and then it's going to sound like the fire alarm is going off. At this point, you are going to run around the floor, switch places with anybody that you want to switch with. You have 12 counts to run around wherever, and then you have 4 counts to make sure that you are able to return to the back wall with your left foot weighted, ready to start the dance all over again. You can run however you want. You can switch places wherever you would like, run all around your dance floor, as long as you're able to return to the back wall to start the dance over again. So in total, you have 16 counts of scramble and returning to come back to the back wall to start the dance all over again. The next time that we do anything special is going to be wall 7. Wall 7 will be our front-facing wall. You will dance the full 48 counts, which brings you to the back, and then they're going to say that stomp to the right, stomp to the left, shake your booty and step, 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 and you're going to repeat the last 16 counts to end the dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We will dance through every extra part in the dance so that you know where it all happens. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're doing that right heel pump. Heel, heel, behind, quarter forward, rock, recover, coaster step. Now your wizards. Right, left, step, back hitch, back hitch, coaster step, quarter squat, recover, pump your hand. Wizard, and wizard, and wizard, and wizard. Now stomp to the right, hold, left, hold. Shake your hips, weights left, right, shuffle forward, step, half pop, bump your hips, step, half, step. Wall 2, add that extra 16 on at the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and stomp. Stomp, shake it and shuffle. Half pop. Now bump your hip, step, half, half, heel pump, heel, heel, behind, quarter, forward, rock, recover, coaster step. Now your wizards. Now back it up, back hitch, coaster step, squat, recover, pump, wizard, 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 stomp to the right, stomp, stomp, shake your hips and shuffle, half pop. Now full turn with your step, heels, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and at this point, she's going to be saying, the barn, the barn, the barn is on fire. You're going to start thinking about your scramble. So we're going to stomp to the right, stomp to the right, stomp to the left, shake your hips, right shuffle forward, half pop, bump your hips, step, half, half. Now you're going to run around for 12 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you have 4 counts to return to the back wall. 16, start the dance all over again. Heel, heel, behind, quarter, forward, rock, recover, coaster step. Now your wizards. Back hitch. Hitch and coaster step, step squat, and bump, and wizard, and wizard, and wizard, and wizard. And stomp, stomp, shake your hips and shuffle, half pop, bump your hips, half, half, half. This is going to be our last wall. You're going to add that 16 counts on a second time at the end. Heel, heel, behind, quarter, forward, rock, recover, coaster step. Now your wizards. Now your hitches. Hitch step, coaster step, bump, and beat the horn and wizard, and wizard, and wizard. Now stomp your feet, stomp, stomp, shake it and shuffle. Half pop and shake it, step, half, half. Now stomp right, left, shake your hips then shuffle. Half pop and bump your hips, step, half, half, half. And that is the whole dance. So I hope this helped you learn bombshell stomp. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.